So the first TV backlight that we have here is the Labs TV backlight. And so this one in particular, I do like how it has corner wires, right? It was very easy to assemble. The camera that sits on top of your TV also has an adhesive strip. And it also has a bracket on the back so that your camera sits on top of your TV securely. But overall, my wife loves this TV backlight, and I'd actually say that this is quite comparable to the Gobi TV backlight. If you don't care about Gobi's ecosystem, then this is definitely going to work wonderfully for you. Now, I do want to mention that the Labs TV backlight and the Ailofy TV backlight is practically almost identical. And with it, you really can't go wrong with either of them. And what I mean by identical is like they even use like very similar identical apps. The camera looks exactly the same. It's just branded differently. But even so, both function and work perfectly great. My wife loves it. I love it. We have automations and timers set in place where this automatically turns on every day at around 4 p.m. and it turns off every day at around 11 p.m. And with the calibration for me for smart TV backlights is very important. You do need to basically calibrate or tell the camera where on the screen should it be looking. And if it can't do that, then it's probably going to have a difficult time actually adjusting the LED light strips to the correct colors. But with the Ailofy or the Labs TV backlight, they both calibrate. You're able to do that with the app that's included. But let's go ahead and move on to the next TV backlight.